for the user interface making, front end design making. Yeah, so not about the design, movements, okay, functions, actions. Clear. So let us also go ahead with the basic things for now, and we'll get wind it up. Okay, fine. So I just need to reverse this number, and we need to get the answer as like this. Okay. Okay, guys. Two possibilities are there here. Okay, fine. One second.
Ma'am, are you sharing your screen?
Oh, I didn't share the screen yet. Oh, sorry, guys. Sorry. Okay. I actually forgot. I was speaking with you guys. So, okay, this is the possibilities. Clear? This is the case. Okay. So first, the number would have been given, okay, by the interviewer, and he asked you to just reverse this number. Okay, we can just go ahead with this one. Okay, not at all a problem. You can just go ahead like this as well. Reverse the number, like whatever the number we have here. Number I, isn't it? So, okay, 1 second, guys. Number, how many numbers we have here? So, those many numbers can return here and can reverse it, isn't it? Okay. That is also is possible. So, we can just put this one in one array and can just reverse. Okay, so that is also as possible. Okay, we can convert this one into the string. Okay, pass string. Okay, fine. We can just change this one into the string now, isn't it? So we can just put like this. Not at all a problem. Yeah, directly we can just put like this and can just to do the decrement, isn't it? Decrement option. Correct. So I actually have given it to the string, and we can just split this one and store it into the, what is it? Num dot split. Why split method hasn't been working? 1 second, guys. 1 second, guys. It is actually a string only. Correct. 1 second. 1 second. Type of. Okay. This num is actually a string. Okay. And we just need to get all the things. Okay. Okay. 1 second. Let us just try this one and see. Oh, okay. Already we have this one only. Okay. Just go ahead and open this in the live server. Token. Oh, something actually, some error is there already. Okay, that is why. Where it is 84. Oh, this is the problem. Okay, fine. Num dot split. Split y. The split method hasn't been working for this one. Okay, this is string only. Perfect only. Okay, fine. 1 second, ma. 1 second. Let me just check with this one. Num. Okay, and in. Okay, let log num of dot char at y. We are not able to use this one. Okay, we are able to get it perfect only. Okay, so not at all a problem. Not required to go ahead with the split method and all. Isn't it? So we are able to retrieve the data. Okay, fine. And here, okay, let us just put the data like this. Okay, it is num dot length. Okay, okay, fine. -1 and n greater than or equal to 0 index. Okay, I minus. Yes, this is also is a possible way only. Okay, so we can just write this possible way. Not at all a problem. Okay, you are just going to get the data. So we can just have another one thing. Okay, so we can get those many numbers and can store it in some other variable as well, like this. 1 second, reversed. Okay, and yes, so empty string, and to that empty string we can just pass all the things. Correct. That is also is one type. Okay, but we should not use like this and all. I'll tell you 1 second. of, oh sorry, num of n. Okay, so in the n actually we are going to have the index. Okay, so length minus 1 is going to be the last index, which is the length is 5. Okay, so 4 is what is here. Okay, so now 4 greater than or equal to 0. Okay, and so this is going to be printed. Oh my god, 1 second, guys, 1 second. Actually, what is happening here? So we have been getting it in the oh, okay. Something actually I was doing, right? So changing the things. Okay, that is why. So automatic option. Hmm. Okay, so now we'll be able to see the data perfectly. 1 second. Again, what happened? I have given everything perfectly only 1 second now. Okay, not required of this one itself. Okay, fine. Let us just check for now. So number, isn't it? A number from the number we actually have taken the length. So length of this number is going to be like 5. Okay, and minus 1 is what we actually have stored in the n. Okay, so n equal to 4. So 4 greater than or equal to 0. Yes. Okay. Then this will be executed. So first we'll get the which one? So reverse is equal to empty, isn't it? So empty plus the 4. Oh, okay. That is what is the problem here. Okay, we just need to add the 1 here with the 4. Fourth one. Oh, okay. Fourth index. Fine. Okay, so we are going to get to the 5 only. So at last the answer is going to be 5 here. Okay, and with the 5, we are going to concatenate the next index, isn't it? It is a 3. So this will bring us the 3. Correct? So I is 4, and we are going to decrement it, and we are going to get the 3 here. Okay, so 3 greater than or equal to 0. Obviously, okay, and along with this one, we are actually going to add the 3, okay, and it will become 4 and sorry, 4, right? Yes, 4. Okay, then it will become 2, then 2, sorry, 3 and 2 and 1. Okay, that time I will become 0. Okay, okay, I will become minus 1, I think so. Oh, yes. Okay, so 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, okay, so minus 1. That time actually what happens? The thing will be stopped. Okay, so browser will not enter into this block. Understood, ma? So now print the reversed number. This is also one option. Okay, but interviewer doesn't encourage this option. Okay, so doesn't accept this option. He actually wants you to perform some logical work. Okay, not this looping work and all. Okay, so for that, in that time, what you need to do. Okay, that is what we need to see. Why this one hasn't been getting. What is the reason? What is the reason? What's the reason? Okay, 1 second. Let me just delete this auto save option. Okay, for now. Off. One second. Let's just delete the port itself completely. Okay, so here go live. Okay, let us just see how we have been getting the data. No. Why this actually has been making these many troublesome to us. Go ahead to the sources. Actually, we don't have any problem with the sources and all. Some network issue or like that. Do we have any network issue? I think so. Because of the network issue also. Okay. Conditional statements. Has been working, but what is the problem for this one? 1 second, ma. because of this one only we have been getting this problem or what? Not accepting it. Okay, but with this one only we have some problem, I think so. Isn't it? Okay, so it is just to put split all the things and can put it into one variable also. That is also is possible. 1 second, guys, 1 second. 1 second. We do have the split method here, isn't it? So how can we split the things? That actually works perfectly in case if we split and use it. But here we are not able to take the method itself. Dot split. Okay, let us just do it. Okay, not at all a problem. Let us just try to just put it in some other variable. Okay. Okay. So this is going to give us the, okay, let's just take it and see. '89 array. Yes. Okay, we are able to put it. Okay, let us just take the data of this one and can do it. Okay, so let us just check. One second, ma. Not required of this one now. Okay. Okay, not required of this one as well. Okay, let us just do it another thing. Okay, so just to take the array of this one. Okay, array, and there we can just add the method, isn't it? Okay, so length. Okay, dot length. Okay, length is actually a property alone. Okay, so let us just check whether we have been getting it or not. Yes. Okay, so just you need to try like this only. Okay, so one by one. Okay, step by step procedure you need to just to put. Okay, so I actually have changed this one into the string. Okay, converted the normal number into the string. Okay, then I actually have splitted those many strings using simple nothing. Okay, using nothing, I actually have splitted each and every things. Okay, I have just taken and have put into the array. Okay, and I have checked the array here, and length minus one is what is the last one. Okay, so length minus one, normal length minus one is the last index. Okay, and for this one, we are going to just check with the last index itself. It is actually a 4 now. Okay, and yes, let us just put it into the same array itself. Okay, so here actually in the data structure of this one, so everything can be changed. Okay, everything can be written in the same array itself. The same array box itself, we can just put the data. Okay, so previous array boxes. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry. Okay, 3, and the next 4 and 5. Clear. And another one array box also I actually have written, which is, I mean, not another one array box, same array box only. In the same array box, I actually have overwritten the values. Okay, like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so like that I have written. In case if you want to just take another one array box in this array box itself, okay, you can just have not at all a problem. Array 1, okay, in the length of the first one. Okay, so which is a dot array, okay, of this one. What is it? Array dot length minus 1. Array dot length. Yes. Okay. In that box itself. Okay. In the size of this box itself, we can just put something else. And in the new box, okay, in the new box, we can just put the data. Clear? So like that also we can just use. Yes, that's all. Okay, we can just print this one now. And we can convert this one into the string as well. That is also as possible. Okay, array 1. You can just get like this and can use it. Don't we have it or what? So we actually have got until the Plus. So what about the 96 actually? 96, another one log statement also I have given. 1 second, so a problem with this one only, I think. Not accepting it. Okay, so not, oh, okay. So see here what I actually have did. Okay, so earlier, okay, that was the problem. So n minus minus only, right? That is what we need to give, correct? So that only we actually had got it multiple times. Okay, just to delete this one. Yes, go ahead with this one. Yes. So that also was possible, ma. Okay, so by having the normal string itself, okay, not required to go for all these things as well. You can just get this one itself here, okay, which is num dot length minus 1. Okay, so that itself you can just have, and previously we actually had a right written one thing, isn't it? So reversed, isn't it? So reversed also you can use, and you can just concatenate the future values to this one. Okay, that is also as possible, not at all a problem. Okay, so like this we can just concatenate, add the reverse and the num of integer. Okay, number of integer, sorry, index. Okay, and store it in the reversed itself. What is the formula for this one? Equal to reversed plus num of n. Okay, which is actually index. Num of 0, num of 1. Okay, like that it is going to take. Okay, in that it is going to take the num of 4, which is the last index first. Okay, as a first number. So 5 will be stored. Okay, next 4 will be stored. Next 3 will be stored. 2 will be stored. 1 will be stored, 2 will be stored, and yeah, 3, 2, 1. Okay, then when it becomes I, okay, that is the worst case. Okay, the execution will be stopped. Yeah, so add it, and we should get it. Array is not defined. Okay, so we are not actually going to show the array. It is going to be the reversed one. Yes. So what happened? Array. Okay. Here also is the problem. Okay. Just change this one into the num dot length. Okay, it is 5. Yeah. At last we actually have got it. Okay, so completely trial and error only. Okay, so you people also didn't notice this one, isn't it? So previously I had given n was the last index. Okay, n was the index number. N was the number I actually have given. Okay, but here I actually had given I to be decremented. Okay, so that it actually went unlimitedly. Clear, guys? This is also one logic, but in case if the interviewer asks you to not to use this for loop. Okay, not to use this for loop. So what is the solution? It is like a Idaravo story only, isn't it? So from the forest, you can just call someone Idaravo. Okay, from the farming land. Okay, call the people Idaravo. It is like that only when you use this decrement operation. Okay, for the for loop. Okay, but interviewer expects something different logic. Okay, let us just write that logic. Guys, understood about this one now? How we actually reversed our name, isn't it? Reversed my name and showed you guys. Reversed the words. Same way I actually have to did it here as well. For that I actually had used the char at. Okay, as it was a string only, char at I had used. For this one also you can just use char at also, not at all a problem, but it is index based. Okay, so this num dot char at. Okay, so here you can just use this n. That is also is possible. Same output you will get. Clear? Right? Right up? Right or wrong? Okay. In that position, we have one letter. Kindly give it. Okay, that is the meaning for this one. And kindly add with the reversed. Okay, actually have initialized some empty string. Okay, with that one, in case if we concatenate the numbers, isn't it? So not numbers actually. It is also a string only. Pure string. Clear, guys? Understood? Anyone else kindly tell me clear or not? Everyone actually. Mohana, Kavita.
Clear, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay, so without using this loop, how can we do it? Okay, our concern is to use the while loop. How to make use of the while loop here? Okay, not using the decrement or increment operation. Nothing we are going to use. Okay, only the initializing. So we already have initialized the value. Correct. We are going to take this one only. Okay, the while loop. So how we are going to do? Okay, fine. Let us just go ahead and write it here itself. Okay. Yeah, see here, guys. Okay, so the number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. First, what we need to do is like we need to take this number out. Correct. This number we just need to take out and store it in some other variable. Correct. Correct or not? That is what actually we had to do for this one as well. Just we took the last index value and have put it at some other variable. Correct, reversed. Okay. The same way we just needed to take the last one. Okay. So avoid this last one. Clear? As well as we just needed to get this one as an answer. How can we do this one? How can we get this one as an answer? This 5 alone as an answer? Correct. 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. Correct. 1, 2, 3, 4 is the quotient. Okay. Answer for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by 10. The answer is 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct? Actually, it is going to provide us the decimal value, but in Java, it actually provides till 1, 2, 3, 4 only. Okay, the exact value. Clear? And here, we just need to extract the 5. Okay, we need this one only. So for that, what is the derivation we need to give? Modulus 10. Correct?
Yes.
So num mod 10 is going to be the 5 at present. Correct? This is how we can extract it. And we can just store it in some other variable. Correct? And next, okay? So first we need to take the remainder, okay, and store it in some other variable, which is called as the reversed. Okay, it's going to be 5. Okay, and next we need to avoid this last number in the next thing. Okay, so we actually have taken extracted the 5. Then we need to avoid this 5. Okay, we need to get 1, 2, 3, 4 to check it in the while loop. Okay, greater than 0. And for this one, we need to just find the remainder, and that has to be included for this one. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4. In that, we just need to avoid this one, and we need to check the condition for this one. It is greater than 0 or not. Okay, then we need to extract this one and store it here and divide by 10 to delete this one. And at last, we are going to just check the condition. Okay, and then take this one, extract and store it here, and then divide by 10 to delete this one. Correct, ma? We can use the floor, right? Math.floor. Okay, in that time. Math.floor of, okay, num. Okay, divided by 10. Num divided by 10 is going to give first time 1, 2, 3, 4 dot some numbers. Okay, some numbers it is going to give. Okay, that will be avoided when we use the math.floor. Okay, rounded value, but bottom rounded value. Bottom rounded. If it is the top rounded, then we need to use the seal. Correct? Okay, let us just do it practically and see. Okay, so first we need to extract, then avoid. Extract the 5, then avoid it using this one. Math.floor of num divided by 10. First, num mod 10 to extract it and store it in some other variable. Okay, so how can we do this one? So first put the while. Num greater than 0 or not. Okay, that is what we need to check. Next. Okay, so we already have one reversed. Okay, so just take the reversed here. Okay, and uh, just to put nothing. Okay, so simple like this. So for this one, we can just add 0. Yes, okay, so completely it is going to be the numbers only. Okay, the integers only and not the string. Yes, okay, so 0 itself. I actually have reinitialized the reverse. We can reinitialize with different data types as well, correct? Previously, I actually have to did something with this one and the reversed value was. Okay, at present, we actually have used the reversed and have given the number to this one. Okay, so you can just try the type of this one and see what is this type of, okay, reversed. Guys, understand the logics and study, okay? You also need to do a lot of, okay, once again, not required, okay, at present, yes. Let us just try. Yes, okay, so see here number. Previously, this reversed was what? What was that?
String.
Ah, very good. Okay, so string. Now it actually has I had reinitialized the value 0 to this reversed and have made this one as number. Okay, integer. Okay, integer. Int. Okay, fine. Let us also go ahead and write the logics. Okay, so we need to just take this one reversed. Okay, first. So what is it? We need to extract. Isn't it? So num mod 10. Okay, so that we will get 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Only 5. Correct? So we need to store it in the reversed. Okay, how to store it? In case if we store it in the reverse, okay, so like this. In case if you store this one in the reverse, okay, then this will be reinitialized to the 5, correct? Okay, and in the second iteration, what actually happens? So we are going to just get 1, 2, 3, 4 only. At that time, we are going to have get the number as 4. The number will be reinitialized to in that place of the 5, correct? Logic இருக்குதுல்ல புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 5 ஸ்டோர் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 0 இருந்தது அதுக்கப்புறம் 5 தூக்கி இந்த ரிவர்ஸ்ல போட்டோம் அதுக்கப்புறம் 4 போடும்போது இந்த 5 டெலீட் ஆயிடும்ல ரீஇனிஷியலைஸ் தான பண்றோம் கரெக்ட் ஆர் நாட் அண்டர்ஸ்டுட் தி லாஜிக் சோ இந்த மாதிரி பண்ண கூடாது so what we need to do is okay I'll tell you we just need to reversed number okay reversed into 10 plus this one so என்ன நடக்கும் அப்போ அப்படினா ஓகேவா what actually is going to perform is like reversed okay at present reverse value is 0 into 10 okay it is going to give 0 only plus 5 okay so that time we'll get 5 right
Yes, ma'am.
okay what about others ma'am understood this one ஒரு நம்பரை ரீஇனிஷியலைஸ் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா அது ஓவர்ரைட் ஆயிடும் பட் நம்ம அந்த நம்பர் கூடவே ஆட் பண்ணிட்டு வரணும் ஆனா ஆட் பண்ண என்ன நடக்கும் 5 plus 4 9 ஆயிடும்ல 0 plus 5 ஓகே 5 ஆயிடும் பட் 5 plus 4 என்ன நடக்கும் 9 தான் ஆகும் அப்ப எப்படி நம்ம ரிவர்ஸ் நம்பர் கிடைக்கும் how do we get the reverse number in case if we add both the numbers okay next next iteration என்ன நடக்கும்னா நமக்கு வந்து இந்த இந்த ஆபரேஷன் நடக்குமா so we are going to just put this operation okay and store the value into the num itself okay num into math அது நடக்கும் ஓகேவா அது நடந்துட்டு நமக்கு இது வருமா okay we are going to just get this number we are going to store we actually have got that number only okay so in case if we just extract this 4 okay so in case so now 5 is the remainder sorry reversed okay so plus 5 so what are all the things we are going to do into isn't it so reversed value is actually 5 into 10 correct with that one we are going to add 4 okay so when we do the operation 1 2 3 4 mod 10 okay we'll get 4 correct so along with that one so previous value was 5 5 into 10 50 plus 4 இப்ப கரெக்டா இருக்கா logic 54. Okay, in the next iteration we are going to get 1 2 3 and 1 2 3, so 54 into 10. Okay, plus 1 2 3 mod 10 is 3, extracting the 3. Okay, equal to 540 plus 3. Okay, 543. இப்ப logic correct இருக்கா?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is what actually we need to do. So one thing completed. Second one, okay. So to the num itself, we are going to just reinitialize. Okay, math dot floor as usual. Okay, so math dot floor next. So num divided by 10. அவ்வளவுதாம்மா, முடிஞ்சது, லாஜிக்கே முடிஞ்சு போச்சு. Okay, it is going to first iteration. Okay, it is going to have 4 or 5. Okay, so let it be not required of this one now. Okay, so we'll do it again. Okay, so don't worry. See here, we are going to extract this one here, isn't it? So first number will be checked. So if this one isn't, so number is yes. Okay, so we have given the number here. Oh, okay, we actually have reinitialized here, isn't it? Okay, let us just put that number as well, isn't it? Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 as numbers. Okay, actually it was a string ma. Okay, if you think about reversing it, okay, so it will not work here because we have been doing the integer operation completely here. Okay, so here it is a integer. Okay, so I actually have changed this one into the integer now. Okay, so this one only have been checking the data. Okay, I mean this one have been checking the data is like 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so greater than 0 or not? Yes, obviously, isn't it? So it is 12,345 as per integer. As per the string, it is 1 2 3 4 5 numbers. String, normal string, alphabets, isn't it? So not alphabet, sorry, not alphabet. It is any elements, simple. Okay, elements. Okay, some value, simple. As per the string, it is a normal value. As per the number, it is the number. So 12,345 greater than 0. Yes. Okay, so it actually goes here and it performs like okay, 1 2 3 4 5 mod 10. Done. So it is going to give you the value 5, correct? Okay. Okay. So 1 2 3 4 5. Clear. So which is 1 2 3 4 times. Correct? And then point. Okay, so we are going to just get the 0 here. Okay, in this one. Okay, sorry. Okay, not required to write here. It is 0. Okay, that is the secondary only, second story. But remainder is going to be 5. Okay, so we actually have extracted the 5. Okay, and add that one with the reversed. So what is it actually? Reversed is actually 0 into 10 plus 5. Okay, is going to be the 5. So store that one in the reversed. Now 5 is the reversed value. Clear? And for this one, it is math. 1 second. Okay, let me just take the calculator itself directly. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 divided by 10. Yes, this is what is the answer. Okay, and in case if you do math dot floor, okay, then the value is 1 2 3 4. Okay, so num value is 1 2 3 4. Then it actually goes here. Okay, num value is 1 2 3 4, and it checks for this one. Okay, and it is going to give you 4, and with this one we are going to just add the 4. Okay, so into 10. Okay, plus 4, correct? And it is 50 plus 4. It is 54. Okay, and next, okay, 54, and again, so here it is, what it is, 123.4. Okay, then we'll get 123, and in the next iteration, 3. Okay, it checks for 3. Now, yes. Okay, yes, yes, obviously. Okay, then it actually goes for this one. Okay, with the 1, 2, 3, and now it is 3. Okay, and add the 3 with this one. Okay, so add the 0 here and 3 with this one. Okay, 54 into 10. Okay, 54 into 10 plus 3. So it is going to give you 543. Okay, next, here it is. Okay, and here the math dot floor complete value. Okay, so 12. So 12, and here also it is 12, and 12 divided by 10, so 2. Okay, and it is going to add 0 with 2. Okay, so 543 into 10. Okay, and plus 2 is, okay, this one. Okay, next, so here it is. Okay, so 12 divided by 10, it is 1.2. Correct, and that one low value is 1. Okay, yes. So 1 greater than 0, yes, obviously. So 1, okay, and it is a small number than the denominator. Numerator is small than the denominator, so 1 is the answer. Okay, and 0 plus 1. Oh, sorry, 0 plus 1. Because for 5432 into 0. Okay, 5400 and sorry, 54,320 plus 1. Okay, this is the answer. Next, it will become 0 then. Correct? Floor value. 0.0, 0.1 actually. 0.1. Okay. Then 0 is the floor value of 0.1. Okay. Then it actually checks for the condition. No, it is actually 0. Failed. Okay. Browser will not get into this one. Okay. Now print the reverse number. Okay. This reverse number actually have the value of 54,321. Yes. That's all, ma. This is the logic you need to use in the interview. Yeah, same thing we have got it here as well. Okay, so 91. This one. So yes. So in case just to use the type
அதுல
of this
wire
one.
மட்டும்தான் இது கிடையாது. அவங்க லேப்டாப்ல இருக்கும்
Guys, in case if you're not going to speak with me, kindly put your call on mute. Okay. So this one is actually a string. This one is a number. Do you have any doubts? Clear all? Anita, put your call on mute. Okay. So guys, yes. So do you have any doubts, ma'am?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Clear all? Try this logical question. Okay, it's very, very important. Try this one for the interview. It is very, very important. Okay. So coming to the break and the continue, isn't it? Okay. Jump statements. Okay. So we'll speak about this one and we'll leave. Jump statements. Break and continue. Okay. So break. Yes. So in case if I want to get the divisible, I actually have some numbers here. Okay. Okay. Let an array. Okay, let array num. Okay. So here I have some numbers. Okay. So in this one, divisible by 7 number. Okay, so divisible by 7. Okay, 1 second, ma. Divisible by 7 or not? No. 54, 49, 49, 56 only as the divisible. Isn't it? 56. Okay, let us just have like this. Okay, let us just have this one before. Okay, so when we find the divisible by 7, we'll stop the iteration. Okay, like that. So let me just put the this one itself. Okay, which is the for each method itself. Okay, if array of num, okay, of I divisible by 7 equal to 0, isn't it? So we should not get any remainder. Okay, the remainder should be 0. That is called as the proper divisible. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? 56 divisible by 7. We will get 8 as quotient. Remainder is going to be 0, right? Then we can just declare it as divisible by 7 number. Okay, this number is divisible by 7 number. But this number is not divisible by 7. This one is also not divisible by 7. Okay, divisible by 9. This one is also not divisible by 7. This one, yeah, okay. Yes. 91 can be divisible, I think so. 1 second, guys. 91. Yes. 7 3s are 21, right? Correct only, right? 7 3s are 21.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
1 2s are 14. Yeah. Okay. Yes, so 21. Yes, so it is going to given to this one. Okay. 7 is going to be so 13. 13s are, I think so. Okay. 13 into 7. Yes. Okay. So first divisible number, first 7 divisible number alone, I just need it. Okay. Just to put the breaker. Print this one and to put the breaker. Simple. Okay. Print the index. Okay. So take the index of that one. Index is actually 0th index. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
First 0 actually will get. Okay. So in the index of 0 only we have got. In case if you put array num of index like this, then you will get the answer as 91. Okay, and in the index you can just put like this as well, else you can use the template literal for this one. Okay, multiple ways you have, okay, to write everything. Seriously, okay, template literal in the index. Okay, so like that we can just do. Okay, dollar. Okay, array num of I. Okay, in the index, which one? Just to put the I here. Simple. What happened? Oh, okay. Clear? So in the index, answer will be in the index 0. Correct? Like this also we can give and break it. Break in the sense, okay? After printing the first 7 divisible, okay? After the 7 table divisible, first the number should be divisible by 7. Print that number, okay? And kindly break, okay? So first let us just, without the break, we'll do it. What are all the numbers we have here? You see here, so 91 in the index 0 and 56 in the index 2. Correct? 0, 1, 2. Okay. And in case if we give break, see here only the first divisible, first number, first divisible. In case if it is 92, then it actually goes to the third one. Okay, which is the first divisible by 7 number. And a break. Okay, so when you just see the divisible by 7, okay, number, any number which is divisible by 7, kindly print that one and break. Okay, get out from that loop. That is the meaning for this one. See here in the index 2. Clear? Do you have any doubts with the break? In case if you want to find the divisible by 2, okay, which is the even number. Simple. To find the even numbers, you can just put like this. In case if it is odd number, you need to put get the odd number, then not equal to 0. Clear? Guys, understood?
Yes,
Okay, let's
ma'am.
just print the even number
Yes,
first. See here, only one even number we have. Okay, in case if it is the odd numbers. odd numbers, okay, which should not get 0. We should get any numbers only as a reminder. That is called as the odd number. See here we have 3. Okay, and first odd number, when you get the first odd number, kindly get out of the loop itself. Clear? Okay, and it should not divisible by 7. Okay, it should not divisible by 7. Kindly get the first non-divisible by 7 number and get out of the loop. See here, 95 is the non-divisible number. First one was the divisible by number. Okay, so second one is the non-divisible. So like this, you can just go ahead with n number of the examples for the single topic. Clear? And next, continue, isn't it? So let us just take this one itself. Okay. When you see the divisible by 7, kindly continue. Okay, not required. Okay. So see here, when you see the divisible by 7 again. Okay, continue. Okay, don't print that one. And for this one, you should not use like this, ma. Okay, it is going to continue only. Okay, so continue. Don't print that one. Okay, print this one. Continue. Go for the loop. We'll go for the checking again. Okay, go for the condition checking again. And in case if it is, then just print this one. Okay, in case if this is not actually the thing, okay, which we require, then kindly print this one. Okay, which is actually it is not. You can just go ahead with this one print statement. Okay, else kindly continue. Okay, in case if it gets satisfied, continue. Okay, non-satisfied, not satisfied. Okay, not satisfied or non-satisfied. Okay, print the statement. For that, you should not specify the curly braces. Clear? Just to take this one and put it here. Okay, so non-divisible only we are going to just get to mark. Okay, in case if it is divisible. Oh, okay. In case if it is divisible now. Okay, I actually have made equal to. In case if it is divisible, kindly continue, don't stop. Okay, when you see someone stranger, isn't it? It is a stranger in your, I mean, on the road. Okay, so girls especially. So when you stand on the road, okay, so waiting for any bus or any share auto or auto, okay, so some stranger is going to come and speak with you, okay, which is not relatable to your age, okay. So you just continue, so you just ignore it. Correct? You don't see, you don't turn and see him, and you don't listen him at all. Correct? That is the case here. That is the best example for this one. Okay, so unwanted things in case if someone comes speak with you, okay, and it is completely a weird one and not required for you as well, okay, it is completely insensible. So you just need to avoid. Correct? So continue. No, I don't want to sit here. In case if we see someone affected on the road and has been shouting with bad words, isn't it? So we should not, we actually don't bother about it. Okay, so least bother about that one. Continuing. So continue walking. Okay, so you don't need to stand and respect him. Correct? Mentally unstable is completely different one. Okay, but someone is actually drunken or something like that. Okay, he is in drunken mode. Okay, and has been shouting. Okay, speaking some bad words on the road. So you don't see, is it? So you don't turn on him. Correct? So that is what our parents have taught us. Correct? Yes. Okay. So the same thing.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so what are all the things we have here? So that is going to be, yeah, see here. So we have these two things, sir. Okay, which is not divisible. 1 second, guys. Actually, we have, yeah, 95 and the 23 years. Correct. Okay, which is actually not equal to 0, break. So first one, okay. Let us just keep the equal to here so that we'll get the first one itself and the breaker. Yeah. Okay, this is different and these two are different. Okay, these two actually coming from this one. Okay, so continue when you see the divisible by 7. Okay, when you see the divisible by 7, print the first divisible by 7 and break. Okay, get out of the loop. So difference between these two are this only. Okay, so kindly understand the difference and study. Clear? Okay, guys, clear? Yes. And you can just use like this as well, ma. So first 100 numbers or 10 numbers you can just put, okay? See here. Okay. Fine. Equal to 0. Just to print all the numbers, which is going to give you even numbers. Okay. Clear? So even numbers only, we have got all the even numbers. Okay, so till 20. Okay, in case if it is, okay, in case if you're going to just get the odd numbers alone, just to put the continue. Okay, only the, okay, that's also reduce it. Okay, so 10 till 10. Okay, so 1 to 10. So you're going to just ignore the even numbers. Okay, when you see the even numbers, when this condition gets satisfied, kindly continue. Okay, then just check for the next number. It is 2. Okay, incremented with, yeah, okay, so 2, 3, okay, so 3 is not actually, it doesn't get satisfied here, then continue. Okay, to print the odd numbers, it is going to give you the odd numbers now. Okay, so I actually have written the even numbers, but it's okay. See here. Clear? And in case if you want only the even numbers, okay, with the operation of continue, you just need to get the even numbers. You can just have this. Clear? So should not satisfy. In case if it satisfies, then continue. Don't print it. Okay, for that you should not use the curly braces here. Yes. So do you have any doubts? That's all, guys. So have okay. So have a great day. Have a good sleep as well. And guys, actually tomorrow is weekend, isn't it? So kindly practice these many basics because we are going to use it for our next topic. Okay, which is the DOM topic. Clear? So DOM is very, very important, and it is and from Monday onwards, we are going to see the advanced topics. Okay, so far we had been seeing only the basic topics. Okay, and timing would be like join at 8:30.
Okay, ma'am.
8:30, or kindly join at okay, kindly join at 9 o'clock itself, ma. Okay, 9 o'clock itself. Okay, that would be better, I think so, because Java class I'm going to start at 7:45 tomorrow. I mean on Monday. Okay, you people kindly join at 9 o'clock. That will be a better from Monday onwards. Clear? Yes. We'll have the class 9 to 10 on Monday alone. Okay, and next day from next day onwards, I will leave you guys 9:50.
Yeah.